Picture this. You're scrolling through Instagram and you see someone your age posting about their investment portfolio hitting 1 crore rupees. Your first thought? Must be nice having rich parents. Or maybe they got lucky with crypto. But here's what nobody tells you. That person might be earning the exact same salary as you. 50,000 rupees a month. Nothing extraordinary. No family wealth. No lottery wins. Just a simple strategy that most Indians completely ignore. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how someone earning 50,000 rupees monthly can realistically build 1 crore in just 10 years. Not through risky day trading. Not through some get-rich-quick scheme. Through a systematic approach that mathematically guarantees wealth creation. I know what you're thinking. 1 crore sounds impossible when you're struggling to save even 10,000 a month. Your rent is eating up your salary. EMIs are killing you. And inflation keeps pushing prices higher. But stay with me for the next 15 minutes because I'm about to break down the exact numbers, show you live calculator walkthroughs, and reveal the one strategy that can literally double your final corpus. This isn't motivation. This is mathematics. And mathematics doesn't lie. Let's dive in. Before we talk about investing, we need to talk about where your money actually goes. Because here's the brutal truth. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a spending problem. Enter the 50-30-20 rule. This simple framework has helped millions worldwide take control of their finances, and it works beautifully for Indian salaries. Here's how it breaks down. 50% of your income goes to needs. These are non-negotiable expenses. Rent, groceries, electricity, phone bills, insurance, and EMIs. On a 50,000 salary, that's 25,000 rupees. 30% goes to wants. Eating out, Netflix subscription, that new phone you've been eyeing, weekend trips with friends. That's 15,000 rupees. And finally, 20% goes straight to investments and savings. That's 10,000 rupees every single month, no excuses. Now I can already hear some of you saying, "Bhai, 25,000 for rent and groceries in Mumbai? Impossible." And you're right. The beauty of this rule is that it's flexible. If your needs exceed 50%, cut from wants first. Living in an expensive city? Maybe your split becomes 60-20-20. The non-negotiable part is that 20% for investments. That 10,000 rupees is your ticket to 1 crore. Guard it with your life. Write down your expenses right now. Categorize them. You'll be shocked at how much money disappears into wants disguised as needs. Okay, now comes the exciting part. Let's actually run the numbers and see if this 1 crore goal is realistic or just fantasy. I'm going to walk you through a SIP calculator step by step. You can follow along on any mutual fund website. Open your phone right now and search for SIP calculator. We are starting with 10,000 rupees monthly. That's our 20% from the 50,000 salary. For expected returns, I'm using 12% annually. Now before you say that's too optimistic, hear me out. The Nifty 50 has delivered approximately 12 to 14% returns over any 10-year period historically. We are being conservative here. Investment duration is 10 years or 120 months. Hit calculate. The result? Approximately 23 lakh rupees. Wait, that's nowhere close to 1 crore. Don't panic. This is exactly why most people give up on wealth building. They see these numbers and think it's impossible. But here's what they're missing. We haven't added the secret ingredient yet. The step up SIP. Also, that 23 lakh came from investing only 12 lakh rupees of your own money. The remaining 11 lakh is pure compound interest. Your money literally made money while you slept. But I promised you 1 crore, and I'm going to deliver. The next section is where the real magic happens. This is the strategy that separates the wealthy from everyone else. This right here is a game changer that most financial advisors don't emphasize enough. The step-up SIP, also called the top-up SIP, is the difference between building 23 lakhs and building over 1 crore. Here's the concept. Every year, you increase your SIP amount by a fixed percentage. Why? Because your salary increases every year, right? Most Indian companies give 7 to 10% annual hikes. So if your income grows, shouldn't your investments grow too? Let's recalculate with a step-up SIP. Starting amount still 10,000 rupees. Expected returns still 12%. Duration still 10 years. But now we add a 10% annual step-up. This means year 1 you invest 10,000 monthly. Year 2 becomes 11,000. Year 3 is 12,100. And so on. Hit calculate again. The new result? Over 1 crore rupees. 1 crore 4 lakh to be precise. From the same starting point. Same salary. Same returns. The only difference is that you committed to increasing your investment by just 10% every year. And here's the beautiful part. That 10% increase feels almost negligible each year. Going from 10,000 to 11,000 monthly is just 33 rupees more per day. But over 10 years, this small change creates a 47 lakh rupee difference in your final corpus. This is the power of systematic step-ups combined with compounding. Most mutual fund apps now offer automatic step-up SIP options. Set it once and forget it. Let me paint you a realistic picture of how this journey will look. Because building wealth isn't a straight line. There will be ups and downs. Year 1 to 3 is the foundation phase. You're investing 10 to 12,000 monthly. Your portfolio grows to around 5 to 6 lakh rupees. Honestly, it feels slow. Markets might crash. You'll see red in your portfolio. Friends will mock you for not enjoying life. This is where 90% of people quit. Don't be that person. Year 4 to 6 is the momentum phase. Your monthly SIP is now 13 to 16,000. Your portfolio crosses 25 lakhs. Compounding starts becoming visible. You'll notice months where your returns exceed your actual investment. This is when the habit solidifies. Year 7 to 10 is the acceleration phase. Your SIP is now 17 to 23,000 monthly. And this is where the magic explodes. Your portfolio rockets from 30 lakhs to over 1 crore. In the final 2 years alone, you might add 30 to 40 lakhs to your corpus. Compounding is now working overtime for you. The key insight here is that 80% of your wealth is built in the last 30% of the journey. This is why patience isn't just a virtue in investing. It's literally everything. You need to survive the boring years to enjoy the explosive years. Print this timeline. Stick it on your wall. Look at it whenever you feel like quitting. Now let's talk about what can go wrong. Because knowing the path isn't enough. You need to know the pitfalls. Mistake number 1 is stopping SIPs during market crashes. When markets fall 30%, most people panic and stop investing. This is the worst possible move. Crashes are actually sales. You're getting more units for the same money. In 2020, those who stopped SIPs during COVID missed the biggest rally in history. Mistake number 2 is withdrawing for lifestyle upgrades. Your portfolio hits 10 lakhs and suddenly you want to upgrade your car or take an international trip. Don't touch this money. Your future self is depending on it. Create a separate fund for big purchases. Mistake number 3 is chasing returns by switching funds constantly. You see some fund giving 30% returns and switch everything. By the time you switch, that fund underperforms. Stick to consistent large cap or index funds. Boring wins the race. Mistake number 4 is ignoring the emergency fund. Life happens. Medical emergencies, job losses, family needs. Without a separate emergency fund of 6 months' expenses, you'll be forced to break your investments at the worst times. Build this before starting SIPs. Mistake number 5 is not increasing SIP with salary hikes. Your salary jumps 20% but your SIP stays the same. Lifestyle inflation kills more wealth-building journeys than market crashes ever will. I've given you the knowledge. Now let's create your action plan. This week, complete these 5 steps. Step 1. Calculate your current expense split. Download your last 3 months' bank statements. Categorize every expense into needs, wants, and investments. Be brutally honest. That food delivery habit is a want, not a need. Step 2. Open an investment account if you haven't already. Grow, Zerodha, Paytm Money, or your bank's mutual fund platform. KYC takes 1 day now. No excuses. Step 3. Start a SIP today. Even if it's just 5,000 rupees. Starting beats perfection. You can increase it later. Choose a simple Nifty 50 index fund if you're confused about which fund. Step 4. Enable Step Up SIP immediately. Set a 10% annual increase. Most apps have this feature. One toggle and you're set for 10 years. Step 5. Automate everything. SIP date should be 2nd or 3rd of every month, right after salary credit. When investing becomes automatic, you remove the emotional decision-making that kills wealth building. Here's my promise to you. If you follow this exact system for 10 years without deviating, without panicking, without breaking investments, you will have your 1 crore. Mathematics guarantees it. The only variable is you. Will you have the discipline? I believe you will. Save this video. Watch it again whenever you doubt yourself. And I'll see you at the 1 crore club. Subscribe to Mahayukti Finance for more wealth building strategies every week. Your financial future starts now.